Hi guys! In this video, I'm showing you how to create groups on WhatsApp. The process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, tap on the three dots which are on the top right. And on the first number, you can see the option New Group. Tap on it and select the person which you want to add in your group. You can select as much as you want, but for now, I will select only 2 people. Now tap on this arrow icon, which is on the bottom right. Now tap on the pic and upload a pic for your group, but I'll not upload it. And here write the name for your group, I'll write. And on the second number, you can see the option disappearing message. If you tap on it, then you can see all new messages in this chat will be disappear after the selected duration. If you select 24 hours, then your all group messages will be disappeared. It means automatically deleted from your group. And from here, if I select 7 days, then after 7 days, your messages will disappear. For me, I will turn off this feature. The second option is group permission, if you tap on it. On the first number edit group setting, I will turn it off. So it means none of my members can change group name or anything. The second option is send a message. If you turn off this feature, then without you, none of your members can be able to send message. I will turn it on so everyone can send a message. The second one is add other members. If you turn off this feature, then your members cannot be able to add new members in your group. And the last option is approve new member. This option is for if someone adds members in this group, then without your permission, they cannot join your group. So I will turn it off, and we'll turn on this feature, add new member. So my friends will be able to add a new member in the group. I will go back by tapping on the arrow icon, which is on the left top, and tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right. As you can see, the group has been created. Now send message to your friends. So it's the fundamental way by which you can create groups in WhatsApp.